is how they're looking when they're shaped. This is what they're looking like. All shaped is foul, and this one is not. This one is shaped, this one is not. I don't know if you can see the difference. Shaped, not. Shaped, not. I'm sure the difference is pretty visible.
It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's actually your first time, I would warmly want to welcome you. So today has got the title, we are going to do a salon nails at home in the comfort of your home, and I'm going to run you through the process. So let me just run you with what I have. I've got some hot water here in a little dish. You can use whatever you can, and then I've got my glue, of course my nail glue. I've got my scrub just to scrub off my hands because I'm going to be soaking them, and then I'll scrub them off to clean them off. I also do have a castor oil, and I'm going to pour a bit of this in there. I've got, of course, my nail polish, of which I'll pick some of these. I've got my wipes just to wipe off any excess dirt or paint. And then, of course, we using the nail salon tips. And I've got my tools. This is just to, push up the nails. My cuticles just to push them up. And then I've got my nail cutter. And then I've also got a nail clipper. And I've got my nail filers as well. I've got two of them. And then I've got the polisher buffer all in one here, and of course just a towel just to wipe off just after I actually cleanse and soak them. So I'm going to be using this hand towel just to wipe off the excess. So with this water I'm just going to pour in a bit of salt. When you soak your nails, either toenails or hand nails, the salt actually helps your nails to be a bit stronger. So that's what I've just put in there. And then next I've got this, I don't know if this can focus, I've got castor oil, and with the castor oil I'm going to pour about just 2 drops, just about 2 drops of the castor oil, and this also helps strengthen your nails. Yes, and now I'm just gonna soak my nails. These are my nails as they are, clear and dirty as they are. I'm just gonna soak them in here for about 15 minutes or so. So I'm just soaking them in, and I'm just gonna get the scrub. I'm using this. It's a body scrub, but I might as well just use it for my hands. It's a gentle scrub, so I just want to exfoliate. And I've taken, let me just show you now. I've taken about this much, I'm not quite sure if you can see. And I'm just going to scrub my hands like so. Like scrub even in between the hands, scrub. Nicely done, and then just go in and just soak them. So now I'm just going to be pushing my cuticles of my nails. So you actually just push the cuticles of your nails further down. Let me just show you an in-depth. So you push them like that. And after this process now, this part of the the sharper part. It's like that. We're just gonna cut off all the ingrown excess skin layers like so. So we're just shaping it out, cutting all the excess ingrown skin and all the dirt lying here, as well as where the actual, cuticle is. Just shape that and remove the excess. We're doing that for all the nails. And what we're gonna do now is get our nail cutter, and we're just gonna shape our nails, just cut them off. Since my nails are short, I'm cutting them all out, but if you've got nails that are a bit longer, you can just shape them nicely. But I've decided to cut mine. And now I'm just gonna file the top of all the nails before I actually put the sticker. So I'm just filing. Remember to file even the inner corners of your actual nail. Okay, I'm done with that. And I'm just gonna go in. I'm just gonna go in with my wipe. I'm gonna get just one wipe and just clear off the excess. Just wipe off the excess. So the reason why you need to actually prep your skin is so that your nail polish sits well, and just even when you stick your stick-on nails, that it will actually last longer for you. So I've done that, and now I'm just gonna go in and just pick the nails that I feel would best suit. So we're doing the sizing now. And what you want to do is put glue on both ends. So place the glue on your actual nail, and then also on the inside of the sticker, and then just wait about 30 seconds. You can blow it 30 seconds and then just stick it. So I'm sticking it, and then you stick it like that. So you press it on, you stick it on, press it on like that. So my nails are both done, and this is what they're looking like. So now I'm just gonna shape them, and before I shape them, I just want to cut them to the length. So you cut them to the length that you want. For me, these are pretty long, but yeah, I just want something a bit shorter. So I'm gonna use my nail clipper. And now I'm just gonna go in and just shape them. after shaping them, what you want to do is, like this one is shaped, what you want to do is actually file where the actual tip is joining from, and then also make the other part a bit rough, because you don't want your nail polish to be sitting on a smooth surface. You want it to go on a bit of a rough surface, and then also where the joint is, just file it so it actually looks evenly smooth gliding through your actual nail. So this is what I'm doing now. So I don't know if you can see that, but the part where the nail is joining with the stick-on is joining with the actual nail, that's the part I'm filing. This is a finished one. This one is done, and I'm going to do pretty much the same for the rest of the nails, and I'll be back. This is how they're looking when they're shaped. This is what they're looking like, all shaped. And I'm just gonna wipe the excess dirt, and we're going to be now just finalizing with painting them. You can put an undercoat, but I don't have an undercoat with me, so I'm just gonna go straight into actually just painting them. So let me just file this other side as well. So this side is filed and this one is not. This one is shaped, this one is not. I don't know if you can see the difference. Shaped, not. Shaped, not. I'm sure the difference is pretty visible at this point. I think I'll go with this one and this. And then since I don't really have a base, I'm going to use my top coat. I don't have a base coat, but I'm just going to use my my top coat and it will work. So I'm using this by NHC. It's a top coat, but I'm still going to use it as a base. About ready, and I'm gonna go in with this. It's I don't know, it's more like a purplish, yeah, it's like a purple, so you make sure you okay, so we're done, and this is what we're looking like. I'm loving it. Disclaimer, I'm not a pro, but I mean, I can easily wear this out and I'll still look a bit, I'll still look polished. And I did it from home, zero cost. There you go, guys. This is how we're looking. Love it, love it, love it. This is what we're looking like. This is the finished product. So yeah, let me know if you actually be trying this out. So this is it, guys. This is what we're looking like. I'm not a pro, but look at that, guys. Look at that. Bye guys, see you. Bye.
Enough. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's enough, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's enough, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door.